Hi, I'm Valerie Combs from Ask.com, and Ask.com is a Q&A site. We combine search with answers from real people to answer virtually any question on the web, and we also do that on mobile devices as well. And we have an app actually that we just released in the iTunes store just a week ago in time for South by Southwest, and this is actually a location-aware group chat app. And what it does is it really just uses location as your primary filter for conversation with people around you. So we have a slider here that can, go all the way to nearby, which this is just a couple yards, feet, miles, and then you could scroll all the way out to 15 miles from any location, and the conversation automatically renders there. We also have a map feature that allows you to actually look at conversations that are happening in other places. So we're in Austin right now. I can move the map over to, let's say, New York and see what the conversation is there. We also have spots where you can either look at a popular spot. For example, this is all of Austin, Texas right now. But let's say I wanted to just save a spot that's happening around me. I think we're at the AT&T Conference Center, and I'm just going to shorthand this really quickly. But you could save that, and I can see when I leave, I can check back in on this conversation. I can also send this conversation to a friend of mine, and they can check in on the conversation as well. So it's really just using location and live real-time chat as the key features, and allowing people to connect with others and find out what's going on around them at any given time.
So how does this tie into Ask's strategy of being a Q&A site?
Well, it's interesting. We released our flagship mobile app in November. We have 500,000 downloads already, and that app is straight Q&A. That's basically, you can speak a question into the phone, you can get it answered through search, you can get it answered from real people all in one app. But what we saw was some interesting behavior going on in the comments section that was really tied to location, people wanting to engage, and we thought this is something that we want to experiment with. We're really focusing on mobile as a key piece of our strategy right now, so we decided to build a standalone app and really just experiment and take a look at that use case by itself. So we thought South by Southwest was a perfect place to roll it out.
So it seems like there's about 847 group texting apps that have come on the market over the last...
No, I think there's 849.
Yeah, exactly. I was just going to say, the counter keeps going up.
Yeah.
How do you differentiate yourself, and more importantly, how are you getting press when it seems like there's a few darlings, and this is the first time I'm hearing about yours?
Well, let's see. So a few questions there. I think the main thing is, we're a big company, a big site. We have 90 million monthly users to Ask.com alone. For us, this is something that we want to experiment with. We think there's, a lot of potential for traction. Clearly, we're onto something given that we've got a lot of other companies in the space playing with the same ideas. But for us, it's more about, let's see what sticks and then see what we can fold back into our, product strategy that our users will love. So in terms of differentiation, I think, the way our app is, it's very, very just focused on location is the key element. We're not looking at putting anyone in rooms. We're not looking to play matchmaker with algorithms or anything else. It's literally just what's around you and the conversation. So, if there's something happening, where's the closest bathroom? How long is the wait for the table at the restaurant down the street right now? These are the kinds of questions that, location is really your key common denominator. You don't need to necessarily ask your friends or people who have shared interests, and that's really what we're looking to explore with this app.
And what platforms is it available for?
Right now it's just iPhone, but depending on how things go, we'll definitely open it up to other platforms as well.
And where can people check it out?
You can check it out it's available on iTunes. You can check it out on our blog. You can check it out on TechCrunch. It's available in a variety of places.
Cool, thanks so much.
Sure, thank you.